It's a smartwatch less than $3 in AliExpress. Build quality is not so good. Plastic quality also bad, so hard. It can connect with smartphone and it has bunch of smart features. It can also monitor heart rate, but result is not accurate. So let's move and see what's inside. This is how it can be charged from any USB port. Now I'm trying to see the inside structure. Okay, at first I open this front cover. It has a touch button, capacitive touch button. There is a metal mesh or something. This thing is connected to this pin, main LED. Behind this, very small battery. This is sensor. Actually, this is an LED. Let's open it and close. Okay, I zoomed. You see, here is only two LED and a small resistor. There is no receiving sensor in here. LED can produce light, and for sense anything, you must have to have some component that can receive reflected light, so you can measure, but here is only light source but no sensor, so we can say it is 100% fake. Okay, then we saw this little battery with no print on it, nothing. We know it is 3.7 volt lithium battery, but power, what is the capacity? Nothing written on this battery, not in this side, not in other side. Then we have this vibrator and some electronics. I don't care what it is because main components are fake and weak. So it is fake, battery is weak, so the electronics, they are nothing, waste of money. Thank you for your time.